Hello everyone, this is my personal experience with Starlink and I am using Globe Prepaid for a while now. Dati pa namin gustong bumili ng Starlink kasi ito yung perfect gamitin lalo na sa remote locations. Starlink offering a more reliable and faster connection. Kaya nang dahil dumadami na yung gadgets na nakakonect sa Globe Prepaid Wi-Fi namin, lumipat na kami sa Starlink. Starlink Gen 3 nga pala in-order ko. Yung total na nabayaran ko ay 29,320, including shipping fee doon mismo sa website nila. I ordered Starlink February 15 via debit card. Expected delivery naman
Dili na
February
lang kuya.
17 to February 21.
Oh, makasabot man ako
Pero
dire.
February 25 nung na-receive ko yung parcel ko. Kaya sa
Okay.
sobrang excited ko, in-unbox ko agad yung parcel para i-set up na siya at masubukan ko na siya. At ito yung kit niya, Wi-Fi router, Starlink cable, power cable. At ang plan na inabil ko ay itong standard 2,700 per month. Super dali na lang i-set up dahil plug and play lang siya. Tapos may guide na din sa mismong app. And for the meantime, dito muna namin ilagay sa bubong. As soon as dumating na yung pipe adapter, ay lilipat na namin to siya. When setting up the Starlink is that you need to have a wide sky view in order for your dish to work. Thank you for watching.